Welcome to DIY Design by CCW, DIY Design for the 21st Century. My name is Candy and I'm the host of this channel. Now let's get into this video. Well, hello everyone. Welcome to DIY Design by CCW. I hope you're having a fantastic day, and I am so glad that you tuned in today. Thank you very much. Today, guys, I'm participating in a fun collaboration. It is the Dollar Tree Christmas DIYs. That's right, everybody. It is Christmas in July, and we are doing a DIY. Now, the host for this collaboration is the lovely Shushana of Regal Designs by Shushana. Now, her co-host is Tamara, who's my YouTube sister, and Tamara's channel is Love My Babies Forever. Now, all they asked us to do was make one or more Dollar Tree DIYs, and so that's what I did. And guys, what I did is take a little odd shaped, it was a little squirrel shaped picture frame that I found at the Dollar Tree. I hadn't seen anything like it, and I thought, you know what, this would make a nice unique ornament, especially for someone who has pets, maybe something like that. But anyway, I'm not going to talk through the whole video. I just wanted to come on and tell you what this was all about, and say, hey, please go down and visit that playlist, because you're going to see people who participated in part 1 and also people like myself who've participated in part 2, and you might get some ideas so that you can get started on your Christmas in July too. Make sure you visit the playlist. Again, that's Tamara, and also visit Tamara, Love My Babies Forever, and Regal Designs by Shushana. And if you're not a member of this channel, I hope you hit that subscribe button today. Click that notification bell a couple of times, and because I'd love to have you be part of the family. And guys, I'm going to stop talking, put a little music on. You'll notice I'm going to speed the video up a little bit. That way, you know, I want to be kind to everyone in the playlist. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Merry Christmas in July, everyone.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel, fa la 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 la. Yuletide carol, fa la 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 la. Year passes, fa la 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 la. Hail the new year, lads and lasses, fa la 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 la. Sing we joyous all together, fa la 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 la. Heedless of the wind and weather, fa la 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 la. Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. The season to be jolly. boughs of holly. Fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly.